What do you call that song, Tigan?
It was somebody's mom going down, 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 up, up, up.
Oh, somebody's mom going down, 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 up, up, up. That's a good name for a song.
Hi.
Hi.
That was a great show. Thanks for coming.
Ready for the next show?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna bring my guys over.
Okay.
Yeah, come on. What's here? This is gonna be the loudest show.
Okay.
What's the name of this song? The next song.
My friends got all their things.
Great.
I have a microphone up here, so I can sing while I'm playing my rock guitar.
Okay, let's hear the rock guitar.
Woo! Wow!
Awesome! What a rock show! Yay!